Good afternoon, peeps. Welcome back to my channel. It is very rare that I do one of these, but this is an unboxing video. It'll be short and sweet. I received from the FedEx man today, just there now signed for it, a parcel. The packaging it comes in, I have to say the packaging is very good. It's bubble wrapped, very good, very handy. And in it came this black box, which I will show you. Now I've just opened it up. It's wrapped in paper. And it is, ready for it? It is from Gerard Cosmetics and it's called the Slay All Day Setting Spray. What you were seeing there is laundry. I've just been doing laundry, bed linen, drying it, wait to go into the drawer under the bed. Yeah, the Slay All Day Setting Spray by Gerard Cosmetics. It is in conjunction with a YouTuber called Nikkia Joy. It's rose scented and it does have a rose scent. It is on me, dries extremely quickly, the smell dissipates straight away, so anybody disturbed by scent, please don't be. This dissipates straight away. I'm just taking my glasses off to show you my skin is completely matte. Now I do have a tiny little bit of maybe a glow there from where I put a little bit of highlighter on, so it doesn't seem to take that away. It'll just stop any oils I have because I have an oily T-zone from coming through. But the rest of my face is quite dry, so I just put it where I need it. Right, that's it. Now I'm going to combine this with a face and outfit of the day. Sure, we might as well kill several stones. We might as well kill several, what's it? I can't remember what the expression goes, but you know, more than one bird with two, kill several birds with one stone. That's the expression. Duh, couldn't remember it. Right, foundation is by a company called Maybelline. It is a urban cover foundation in the colour Soft Tan. And the reason I'm wearing Soft Tan is because I have put my B-Tan Fake Tan. Ain't got time for this. White with bottle with black writing on. And I've been tangoed. So I was looking like a stray head before because my head was white. Face was white as fuck because I don't put fake tan on my face. My body was kind of tanned with the fake tan. It looked really silly and ridiculous, so I decided to just use my summer shade of foundation, which is that. I have two summer shades. One is Rimmel, this. Right, makeup of the day is of course my Necessary Nudes eyeshadow palette by ELF. That was PR. My eyebrows is a PR thing from ELF, or from the NYX, NYX, their eyebrow cake in dark brown. That's on me. My eye makeup is, as I say, Necessary Nudes. Foundation is on. My cheeks are the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula with a little bit of the highlighter out of the Sleek contour palette on top. Lips, Urban Decay, back tuck. No jewellery on. My outfit of the day is very basic and very simple. I am wearing a pair of Levi, pale, very pale Levi jeans, a tank top from, I think I got it in F&F, which is probably Tesco's. I think it's Tesco's. The belt is my Jessica Simpson belt, which I seem to be wearing a lot of. I love it. And my shoes are from Nike. They are from the retail store over in Kildare Village. I got it over there. Got them over there. They're over a year old. That's it, guys. My hair is in a sleek updo. Well, it's a pony, comfy. Not quite as sleek as I'd like, not as snatched as I'd like due to these hairs that don't seem to be growing. So if any of you guys out there have tips for growing baby hairs, or I don't know, I'm trying everything. I'm coconut oil, going into it to treat it. I've even tried putting salt in my shampoo, which is supposed to help keep your, I don't know what they're called, on the scalp. The holes in the scalp free of any contaminants, so your hair grows quicker. And that's about it. My glasses are my usual. I have no jewellery on because I wasn't asked. Right, my friends, that's it for now. As I've received my PR from Gerard Cosmetics, thank you very much. Appreciate this. Will use. I have several setting sprays up in my press here. Good few. I wouldn't say I have dozens, but I have a few. And I will do if anybody wants, tell me down below. I have several setting sprays, high end and low end. medium end even, and for different skin types. I'm going to make this work for me. Do y'all want to know how? Let me know what you want. That's what the comment section is for. If you haven't subscribed, or should I say, if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. You're very welcome to my little tiny family here on YouTube. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it if you did. You'd be very welcome and appreciated. And if you do subscribe, click the notification bell so that if I get a bright idea or post a video, you're all going to know about it. So lads, I'm going to go. I will be posting another video towards the end of the week, maybe another 2, you never know. See how it goes. Listen, thanks very much for viewing me. Have a lovely day. God bless. Bye-bye.